Hey everybody, Catherine here. Today I'm going to talk to you about Camco's USB Powered Mini Humidifier with fan and reading light. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out on a new Camco video. The Mini Humidifier reduces dry air by evenly distributing a superfine mist. It's USB powered and perfect for small spaces. The kit includes a humidifier, flexible fan, flexible reading light, replacement wick, and USB power cord. The convenient one-button control allows you to easily select between 4 modes. Mode 1, mist and multicolor lights. Mode 2, mist only. Mode 3, lights only. And Mode 4, off. The multicolored changing lights provide colorful backlighting. The Mini Humidifier has an automatic shutoff feature, which turns it off after approximately 5 to 7 hours of continuous use. The USB powered Mini Humidifier with fan and reading light from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.